ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ यश्चन्दसा मृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोऽभ्योऽद्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ मेधादेवी जुषमानान आगाद् विश्वाची भद्रासु मनस्यमाना त्वया जुष्टानुदमानादुरुक्तान् बृहद्वधेम विदधे सुवीराः त्वया जुष्टऋषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मागतः श्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व द्रविणो न मेधे मेधां मगेन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधां मे अश्विनावुभावा धत्तां पुष्करस्रजाम् अप्सरासु च या मेधा गन्धर्वेषु च यन्मनः दैवीं मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषताम् आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्याम् ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधासु प्रतीकाजुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां महेन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु ॐ शान्तिः 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 I gave homework. Did you try that? Vidhi Sutra. What all the sutras are applied? Okay, it's okay. We will see that. I'm just saying. You can try that. What all the sutras involved in that particular Vidhi Sutra? Okay, then we'll chant. Mukhanasika vachano nunasikaha. Vibhaktischa. I'll give you the simple, I'm already doing. With the sutra, you can write here also if you want. The simple meaning of the sutra here. Copy paste. It'll be easy. Okay. The English translation I'll give, you can just copy paste here. Anyway, you can copy from the word, the Sandhi chart for Sandhi rules. Already it is there. Go there, just pick up that English translation with examples also are there. Paste it here, simple. For Sanya, I'll do it, okay. Yes, it is there. Translation is there. For your for reference, I'm saying, can paste it. It will be easy. One small document.
You can do without doing copy paste, but I have to check because, for example,
Sandhi.
to get all this index, you can do automatically.
Go. Copy paste can be done.
I think it's not required. You can do. Okay, I'll explain later.
Okay.
He's saying if you select that automatically, it will be done.
Yes. For example, this index.
Oh.
You have to do copy paste or nothing like this.
So create a hyperlink if you click. You are saying that like that.
Yes, but okay. When you it's a little bit long to explain. But for example, in the top you can see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3.
Yeah.
If you use this for creating the document,
Oh.
in every sutra, for example, you say that the name of the sutra is heading 1. After that, you can say to the.
Oh, here itself you can see. You can do it.
Automatically.
Oh, it's good. I don't know that. Oh, okay.
The numbers are automatic.
You tell me how to do it. I don't know. Oh,
I don't know.
some document. Most advanced.
Much
Okay.
about this, but
Okay.
and I think that you can say do the same, for example, with English meaning.
Yes. Mukhanasika vachanorunasikah vibhaktischa adarshanam lopaha adirantena sakheta upadeshe janunasika it alantyam na vibhaktau tu smaha आदेर् शः प्रत्ययस्य चुटु लशक्वतद्धिते तस्य लोपः यथासङ्ख्यमनुदेशः समानाम् ऊकालोज्रस्वदीर्घप्लुतः अचश्च उच्चैरुदातः नीचैरनुदातः समाहारस्वरितः ह्रस्वं लघु हलोऽनन्तरा संयोगः संयोगे गुरु दीर्घं च अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा लस्य तिप्तस्झि सिप्तस्त मिप्वस्मस् त आथां झ थास आथां द्वम् ओके इट् वहि महिङ् लः परस्मैपदं तः नावात्मनेपदं तिङस्त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथममध्यमोत्तमाः तान् एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनानि एकशः अर्थवदधातुरप्रत्ययः प्रातिपदिकम् अर्थवदधातुरप्रत्ययः प्रातिपदिकम् कृत्तदितसमासश्च ज्ञाप्रातिपदिकात् सु औजस् अम् औष्यस् टाभ्यां बिस् ङेभ्यां ब्यस् ङसिभ्यां ब्यस् ङस् ओस् आम् ङि ओसुप् सुपः विरामोऽवसानं जश् शसोः शिः जश्शसोहोषि शीसर्वनामस्थानं सुडनपुंसकस्य सुप्तिङन्तं पदं स्वादिश्वसर्वनामस्थाने यचिभं तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णं ऋलवर्णयोः मितः सावर्ण्यं वाच्यं नाज्झलौ अ आ अनुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः तपरस्तत्कालस्य षष्ठीस्थाने योगा तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य वरन्रपरः स्थानेन्तरतमः परसन्निकर्षसंहिता संहितायाम् इको यनचि एचोय वायावः एकः पूर्वपरयोगो एङ्गः पदान्तादति अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः वृद्धिराधै च अदेङ्गुणः आद्गुणः वृद्धिरेचि एङ्गी पररूपं शकन्ध्वादिषु पररूपं वाच्यं ओत्वोष्ठयोः समासेवा. Need to remember some example for all this. Okay, one shakandu, otvashtayoho danta plus oshta. Huh? Yeah, what is it? Yes, I sent you. Omang oscha ato gune yet yedhat yutsu अक्षादोहिन्यामुपसंख्यानं प्रादुहोढोढ्येषैष्येषु ऋते च तृतीया समासे प्रवत्सतर 1 minute, वत्सतर, yeah, प्रवत्सतर कंबल वसनार्न दशानामृणे. Whatever you chant. Artascha. Okay. Here, now, Apavada to Ikonachi is Apavada to Ikonachi, Ensandi. Ikonachi means I would say Ikonachi, you have to understand Ensandi. Okay, we have grown. Okay, always not naming by the Sandhi. Ikonachi. Apavada to Ikonachi, what is that? Akasavane Dirgaha. What is the number of Ikonachi? I'm just asking number. If you can know it, better to know it. That's the reason why I'm saying. 6177. In this, you can see this and can tell Ikonachi where it is. Here it is. 7 is hiding. Okay. Akasavane Dirgaha 61. No. 61101. It is here. You can see 101. Right? So Akasavani Dirgha is Apavada. Where is this Apavada? Before or after the Ikonachi? After the Utsarga Sutra, which is Ikonachi. Right? Para Apavada. This is called Para Apavada. Para means what? Apavada comes later. There could be Apavada before. Apavada can be said beforehand. Before going to Utsarga, Apavada can be done. Like in the school teacher says, no? Those who have not brought the book can go out. Others can. Apavada is said first. So, like that. Purva Apavada also possible. Okay. We have seen Purva Apavada, it is there. I'll ask you what. What is that? One sutra for that Purva Apavada is there. What is that? Yes. What is that? Okay, let me say, then you can think and see. Akasavani. You have to tell the Utsarga as well as Apavada, both. Purva Apavada means. Okay, now continuing. Gunasandhi. Right? Apavada to Gunasandhi. Vriddhi. Also, Vriddhi is Guna is 6187. Vriddhi comes next sutra, 6118. Para Apavada. Para Apavada, Vriddhi Rechi. Right? Please follow the. Right? Then Akasavani Dirgha also Apavada only. Yes or no? For At Gunaha Akasavani Dirgha is also Apavada. That is also Parapavada. Now, Echaha Ayavayavaha we saw, right? Echaha Ayavayavaha. After Eko and Achi. Apavada to Echaha Ayavayavaha is Yenga Padanta Dati. Padanta Yeng. Apavada, right? This is also Parapavada. All these are examples for Parapavada. Understand up to this? Now, Apavada to Vriddhi Rechi. What is that? Pararupa Sandhi. Vriddhi Rechi is 6187. Pararupa Sandhi number is Engi Pararupam. It is on the screen. 6194. Parapavada, right? Now, Engi Pararupam. Okay. Then, Apavada to Engi Pararupam. Now, that is what my question is. What Apavada is that? Purva Apavada. Clear? Engi Pararupam is 61. Are you all following me? Yes? Engi Pararupam 6194. Apavada to Engi Pararupam is Eti Edati Utsu, not Vriddhi Rechi. One sutra below that. For Vriddhi Rechi, Apavada is Engi Pararupam, and Apavada to Engi Pararupam back to that Vriddhi, that the Anuvrti comes for that sutra, Eti Edati Utsu, back to that part, that portion. Clear? Where Vriddhi comes as Anuvritti. This is called Purva Apavada. Right? Understand? Now, my question, it's not yet complete. Okay. That is one question, a part of the question. Now, second question is, Omang Goscha, yesterday we saw. Remember Omang Goscha? Ang Shabda. Ang need not be explicitly there if Ang Tvam is there. Like example, Egi. A plus in becomes Egi. Lot Lakara, Egi, right? Ang Tvam Asti. Now, Ava plus, I am taking the Upanishad example, Ava plus Egi. What Sandhi? Avaihi or Avehi? We know that. Avehi, what rule is that? Pararupa Sandhi or Vriddhi Sandhi? Ava plus Egi. Pararupa, because it comes under category Pararupa here, it is a 6195. Exception to? Exception to? So, here the question comes. For Engi Pararupam Eti Editi Utsu is Purva Apavada. Right? For Omang Goscha, that is Pararupam comes as Anuvritti. Right? Now, Eti Editi Utsu Apavada or not? The question is that. For Engi Pararupam it is Apavada. Understand my question? First you understand my question. Engi Pararupam 6194. For that Eti Edati Utsu, that is 6189 is Apavada. Clear? Now Omang Goscha is there. For that Eti Edati Utsu Apavada or not, my question is. If it is Apavada, then you will get Vriddhi only. But a form is Avehi. Apavada, that's why Apavada means what? To what? For Engi Pararupam, Eti Editi Utsu is Apavada. For 6194, 6189 is Apavada. Purva Apavada. And for Omang Goscha also, it must be Apavada only. If that is Apavada, then form will be Ava plus Egi becomes Avegi, Vriddhi will happen. Clear? But it is not. Logically, it should be, right? Yes or no? If you apply for Engi Pararupam, you apply for Omang Goscha also. Question comes. Yes or no? Because fulfills the condition. Eti Editi Utsu says the form of the Indhatu. Egi is also form of Indhatu only. Even if Upasarga is there, it's a form of Indhatu only. But why it is not Apavada? It is a Dhatu. Why is it not a Dhatu? Dhatu is there, form of Dhatu. With Upasarga doesn't matter. Egi. Still it is Eti means in Dhatu.
Because it is particular only with two
Huh?
shabdas.
Two shabdas. What two shabdas? Yes. Egi ang is there. Om. Why Om? Om is. Yes. Yes. So I'm asking Abba plus Egi, which one you will apply? Take the example, Abba plus Egi. Why not Eti Edati Utsu? By Eti Edati Utsu Purva Apavada, that should be applied. Yes or no? Question is that. Eti is form of Indatu. Egi is Indatu only. Okay, don't worry, you don't answer. I'll tell you. That is, when Purva Apavada is there, when Purva Apavada is there, then the Purva Apavada, it will be an Apavada only to the following immediate sutra. For Eti Editi Utsu Apavada to Engi Pararupam. Only to Engi Pararupam it's Apavada. It cannot negate, it cannot be an Apavada for Omangoscha. For the following sutra, it is not Apavada. Therefore, Omangoscha applied there. This confusion came in Upanishad class itself. Ava plus Yehi, Avehi, people argue. But there is a paribhasha. That is what yesterday I didn't explain this. It's a little bit extra. Whatever you can understand, it is good. Purastad apavadaha anantran vidin badante na uttaran. There is a paribhasha. Paribhasha not in the sutra. Paribhasha separately it is there. It's not in the sutra part of paribhasha. This is also called paribhasha. There are many such paribhashas are there. Nimitta apaya, nimitika apayam, one paribhasha. The cause is removed, effect also goes away. Similarly, this is one paribhasha. Purastat apavadaha, that is Purva apavada, anantaran vidin badante. It dismisses the vidhi which follows immediately. Immediately means the first one. Not that later one. Later one it will not negate. That is a paribhasha. So by that paribhasha, for Engi Pararupam Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada. For Omangoscha Eti Edati Utsu is not Apavada. Therefore, that is applied. That's the logic. Clear? Yes or no?
No, can you repeat?
Yes. When there is Purva Apavada is applied to the Utsarga Sutra which comes first. Only the.
And how do I know which is the utsarga that comes first?
You have to know it.
No, because it's not the number, because the one is
Not the number.
4 and the other one is 8, 9. So it's not immediately in the sense of number. That's my question.
Means where it is applied, there it is not applied. Like
You cannot know it. Somebody has to teach you. Okay, then only you can know it. What is the knowing it?
So it's not about the number, it's about the meaning.
Yes, it's about a lot of things you should know. You should know the whole to understand the individual. You should know the individual to understand the whole. So it's called Anyonya Ashraya. So I'm just explaining why it is said. In the tradition, why they say like this? It's because they have paribhasha. With that they will say. No, they will argue. Purvapakshi will say. Yeti Aditi Utsu will apply and negate this Omangosha. Cannot be applied. No. They will say Purva Apavada will negate only the succeeding, the first sutra only. Not the sutra which follows later. That will not negate. This logic they will give. That's a paribhasha, sir. What is a paribhasha? They will say, quote this. Like that argument will be there. Okay. Purastat apavadaha anantaran vidin badante na uttaran. One sentence I will. Okay, first let me explain. You understand this. Yesterday I read, I didn't explain. I will do it quickly. Please see here. You don't write. Shiva plus Egi. Shiva plus Egi asmin udaharane Egi etat indatoho ekaradi rupamasti. Yes, understand?
no.
Yes or no? Egi is a form of indatu. Okay. Ataha atra etyedat utsu ityasyapi prasaktihi asti. It applied. Yes or no? Because Egi is a form of indatu, therefore etyedat utsu is applied. Atra kasya prayoga karniyah eti edat yutsu iti omangoscha ityasya apavadha asti va. Eti edati utsu iti is eti edati utsu is apavada to omangoscha, is apavada to omangoscha, it has whether it has the status of apavada or not, is asking. Asya uttaram anaya paribhasha labhyate. The answer for this is obtained through this paribhasha. What is that? Purastat apavadaha, that is purva apavada. Anantaran within. Anantara means no gap, that is succeeding. Succeeding means not immediately after that sutra. Vriddhi, this is Yet Yedati Vutsu comes under the Vriddhi section. Then after that Pararupa section starts from Yengi Pararupam. So that first sutra it will negate. Only for the first sutra the negation is. Purastat iti yukte Utsarga sutrat prag. That's the meaning. Utsar immediately before the, immediately means don't, the context you have to see, the immediate means not the immediate preceding sutra. Immediate means before that. Meaning wise. Yes, Utsargat Sutrat Prag, before the Utsarga Sutra. That is called Purastat. Anantaraha Vidhi iti yukte Saha Utsarga Vidhi Yaha Apavada Sutrat Anantaram. That comes later. Anantaram with no other sutra intervening in between. In the sense, the Pararupam, some other sutra should not come Pararupam. That sutra and no other, the Pararupa Sutra or any Pararupam Sutra should not apply. It should not come there. Anantaram. So Anantaram here means not no sutra intervention, no gap. That is not the meaning here. He is giving within bracket. Anyesham Utsarga Vidinam Apekshaya. Anyesham Utsarga Vidinam with regard to the other Utsarga Vidhi. Other Utsarga Vidhi should not come. That is what it means. Anantaram means. You understand? Other Utsarga Vidhi should not come before that Utsarga, the main Utsarga. So you understand like this, main Utsarga is there. Before that, nothing is there. Only after that, other Vidhis, other Utsargas are there. They are not Utsargas with regard to Apavada because that is not Apavada at all. That is the logic. Okay. Then, Ataha, Asyaha Paribhashayaha Artaha Yam. This is the meaning of this Paribhasha. See, it is like this. There is a long queue is there. Okay. Now, the first person who is standing is wearing yellow t-shirt, yellow color, okay, dress. Then we say, and everybody is wearing suppose yellow, and from the the student, 10th student standing in line, from that onwards white color is there. So for that first white color student, this yellow is Apavada. For the other students who are also wearing white, yellow is not Apavada, something like that. So we want to remove only that student out. The first student standing in the line wearing white dress, you go out. That person will go, not all the students will go. When you say students wearing white, go means only the first student has to go, not all the students. Then nobody will be there in the class. Understand? May not be a good example, but trying to make you understand. This is what is. Something, whatever comes, I have to say. Need not be, whatever comes, I need not say, but I have to filter it, say in which way you can understand. Yes. I will come to that. Okay, first let me explain this. We are holding to translation. First understand this, important. We understand, first let us understand this. Apavada Sutram Tasmat Anantarasya Kevalam Ekasya Sutrasya Eva Apavada Rupena Karyam Karoti. Very clear. Apavada Sutra, Purva Apavada Sutra. It negates only one sutra, the first Utsarga Sutra. It negates. Tadanantaram Vidyamananam Sutranam Apavada Rupena Karyam na Karoti. The sutras which follows later, Utsarga, they are not even, we cannot call them as Utsarga. There, this Apavada is not applied. Karyam na Karoti. Clear? Apavada Sutrat Purvam Vidyamananam tu Anekanam Sutranam Apavada Rupena Karyam Kartum Shaknoti. Apavada Sutrat Purvam Vidyamananam. That is okay. That's not required. So, therefore, in this case, Ataha Atra Eti Edat Yutsu Etat Sutram Kevalam Engi Pararupam Ityasi Eva Apavada Rupena Karyam Karoti. It is Apavada only to Engi Pararupam. Omangosha Ityasya Na. Therefore, Shiva plus Egi will be Shivegi. Ava plus Egi will be Avehi, not Avehi. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Davehi. If Avehi is there in the Upanishad, it is Chandasam. But according to the Sutra, Omangosha is applied. Omangosha, for that, Etat etyedat yutsu is not apavada. That is what he says. It's clear. Now, the translation of this paribhasha, we have to do translation now. Purva apavada will negate only, is applicable only to the immediate following Utsarga Sutra. Yes, succeeding need not be immediately. I mean, it may understand. I will just say, Purva Apavada will negate the first Utsarga Sutra, not the later following Utsarga Sutras. That is the meaning of this paribhasha. Okay. See, when you get time, you go through this, you read the Samskritam. But I will explain this and you see whether you understand this when you read. That much Samskrita knowledge we have to understand. But certain technical things you may not understand. It's difficult. That is why I'm explaining this. This is a bit difficult to understand. You need to know this, how this is operates. Therefore, but now you know it. Now you read, you will understand. Is it clear? General paribhasha. Always like that, yes. Okay. So, therefore, Om Angosya is done, right? For that, Edati Utsu is not apavada. Now, after that, the sutra, all these are extra information given. Then, Atogune, did we see yesterday? Yes.
Regarding to an upasarga.
Huh?
Regarding to an upasarga.
Yes.
On this, so here we have the example of AD. Where else I can see this an upasarga?
Where else?
Yeah. Can you give another example to use this an upasarga?
Ang upasarga can come for agachati, agachati, ang upasarga. All ang upasarga only.
This one, but
Yeah.
it's not the same to use in
Long lakara.
Lakara because
Lang lakara, it is art agama. Upasarga is different, agama is different. Don't confuse this. Upasargas are padam. Art is not a padam. It's an agama, tithagama. It is added to the sthani, to the beginning of the sthani, become one with the sthani, integral part of the sthani. That is agama. Don't confuse that. Art agama is going to come later. We are going to see that. That's a doubt? Okay. Atogune, we have seen yesterday. Yes or no? Yeah, simple. Adantat, what is the vritti? Adantat, uttarasya. You read, yeah. You can read. Atogune, you have written? Oh, web page. Yeah, it's okay, you can tell. Adantat uttarasya. Our vritti you can say. What follows? Atogune, that is 6197. Okay. What is the anuvritti for this? First, let us see the anuvritti. Anuvritti is? Very good. Apadantat, apadanta avarnat. Okay, that is that to avarnat, rasva avarnat. Uttarasya, gune, pare, kim bhavati? Purva parayogastane, pararupam adesha bhavati. It's called pararupa. It comes under pararupa section, right? Understand? This comes under pararupa. See, you see the sutra pata. Pararupa as anuvritti, it goes up to 100. Starting from 94, Engi pararupam, goes as anuvritti up to 100. So, Atogune is 6197. So, it comes under pararupa section. So, it is pararupa sandhi, Atogune. One of the pararupa sandhi. Ataha is at, pratipadikam is at, rasva, avarna. What vibhakti is it? Ato. Atah, panchami. Gune is saptami. And sthani is purva parayoga, that is adhikara. So, samhitayam vishaye. And ataha is there. From the previous sutra, important anuvritti. Apadanta, important. We are talking about apadanta. That is important. Apadantat rasva akarat. Okay, that akara is qualified by the what akara? It should be at the end of the padam. Apadam. You can say nothing wrong. Same only. Apadantat rasva akarat avarnat pare parasya gune. Guna letter follows. Guna is a e o. Gune pare purva parayogastane pararupam adesha bhavati. Clear? This we saw yesterday, and you can see the sandhi chart. It is examples are given, so we can quickly read the vritti. Apadanta akarat. Okay, gune pare purva parayoho pararupaha adeshaka bhavati. Is it clear? So ataha. All the examples, pata plus anti, remember one example, that is enough. Okay, so we understand it is only akara, short rasva akara only, not dirgha akara. That is pratipadikam is at only. Okay. Then after that, eti editi utsu we saw. Yes or no? That already we have seen. Then akshadogini is only for that, akshogini for that. All these are only for one word. It is vartika. You can refer the sandhi chart, and we saw yesterday also. Now the next one is 6190. With that, we are going to complete this achsandhi. 6190 is artascha. Artascha, what is art? Ataha cha. What is cha? Chakarat vriddhihi. Artascha vriddhihi bhavati. Wherever atagama is there, vriddhi will come. So now let us see this. Sandhi chart also, you keep it open. Artascha. Ataha, what vibhakti? Panchami. Ataha. Pratipadikam is art. Cha avyayam. Okay. It is in vriddhi section. So what does it say? What does it say? Anuvritti is, you can see, artascha vriddhihi. You can, first you keep the sutra pada, don't see the anuvritti there. From this you have to make out. Artascha is 6190. For that, what are all the anuvritti? Vriddhi is one anuvritti. Vriddhi is what? Vriddhihi. What is that? Vriddhihi. Adesha. You have to say Adesha. Vriddhihi anuvritti. Then next one. Purva parayogo. Comes under Purva parayogo section. Okay, Purva parayogo. That is Sthani. Okay. Ataha Panchami Vibhakti. What is that following one? Huh? Ajadi Dhatu. Where you got this?
When art is followed by ajadi dhatu, then both the purva and para will be replaced by vriddhi letter.
Okay. I given Ajadi Dhatu. Okay. Okay, Ajadi is right only. But Ajadi, how you get Ajadi? From where you get Ajadi? Adi means etc. Where is that? Ajadi. You are saying Ajadi in the written. What is that? Yes, tell me. Ajadi follows. What does it mean? You have to say in Paninian language. No, I am saying in Paninian, it is there. If I say, I cannot say the answer, okay, this much I can say. What is that word? Understanding question. If I make you understand, the answer will come. Ajadi, ajadau, pare. What follows? What is following? Art is Panchami. What follows? Tell me that. What vibhakti? That is what I want. Bhavre. Okay. Iko yana achi. From that achi comes as anuvritti. I cannot say that, right? If I say that, then that is what I given as ajadau. Clear? So art followed by ach. Ataha Panchami, achi is Saptami. Purva parayogastane vriddhihi adesha. Clear? Huh? Achi, where is dhatu? Dhatu and all, it's not there. Achi pare. If atagama is there, followed by ach. I have given you, understand, because the context is that. That's why I have given. Okay, that is to make you understand. Now it is applied to any context. Yes.
Here we want to say dhatu starting with
Could be dhatu. It could be anything. We have know only dhatu. Lang lakara only we know. What else we know? In some other cases also art may come. We don't know.
now dhatu we have to remove. Okay.
Not remove. The understanding is fine. It can be dhatu or it could be anything. Wherever at agama comes, we don't know. Because for that we should know the whole sutra. To understand the whole, we should know the individual. To understand the individual, we should know the whole. That is the logic. Okay. Anyonya ashraya. Example is, famous example for what Swamiji gives is, no. That is okay, catch 22 situation, but the person is mad. For the madness to go, he has to get married. But he can get married only if he is mad, if madness is cured. Anyonya ashraya. So this is Swamiji's famous example. Okay. So Atascha. Now going back to this this site, you can see Ataha is Panchami Vibhakti, Cha Avyayam, and all the anuvritis you have said. Vriddhihi. At let it comes anuvritti, doesn't matter. Okay. Because here anyway this is Ataha is there. Achi important. Samhitayam Ekaha Purva Paryogo. Okay. Ataha Achi. That is what it is. Ataha achi. At is Panchami, achi is Saptami, Pura Paryoho, Vriddhihi Adeshaka Bhavati. Here at means agama. At is agama. Then agama we have not seen. We will see that rule later. Okay. If I give everything, then I have to insert what is agama. Achontya, Adiranto, Takitau, and all you have to say. We will do that in the Tinganta section. But we know what is art is. Art agamat, Panchami. Ach varne, that is what I have given in the Sandhi chart as ajadi follows. Ach varne pare. Ubayoho means pura parayoho. Vriddhihi adeshaka bhavati. Art ayam kaschana agamaha. He says art is an agama. Asmat agamat paraha. After this agama, yadi swaraha agacchati, if swara comes, tarhi ubayoho sthane vriddhihi ekadeshaka bhavati. This is simple. Which one? Agama. For? Art agama. Art agama is, it's not a sanya. Art is an agama. Where the agama will come, he will say. Adyanto takito. That is one sutra. He says where the tithagama will come at the beginning and kitagama will come at the end. If it is mitagama, mit achontyat paraha comes after the last ach. These are the agama where it will come, it is said. That we will see later. Okay. So, udaharanani etadrishani. At ajadinam. In the lang lakara, we have seen this. Okay. I am not going into that. This much you can see. At. What is at? Atati. Don't confuse this with the art. Okay. That is different. At is a dhatu. Art is agama. For art, takara is ith letter. At takara is not ith letter. At plus tip becomes at plus shap plus tim, atati. Now, art agama comes. What lakara? Lang lakara. Lang lakara, what you do? We add, if the dhatu begins with a consonant, we add at agama. If the dhatu begins with a vowel, we add art agama. That is what the sutra says. Art ajadinam. I don't want to get into that. Ajadinam dhatau. Ajadinam art agama bhavati. So, dhatus beginning with ach. Ajadi dhatus. Understand? Ajadi dhatus. What is ajadi? What is aj? Ach plus adi, ajadi. Okay. Ajadi dhatus will take art agama. Haladi dhatus will take? In what context? Lang lakara. Remember that. Okay. Everything you should remember. So, atagama takes atagama. Now, a plus, here it is simple one. A plus a, what will happen generally? A plus a is dirgha sandhi. Savana dirgha. Even though a plus a is a, and even vriddhi also a plus a will be, by applying this sutra, artist, The form is going to the same, but you cannot apply Dirgha Sandhi. What you will apply? Apply this sutra, Atascha Vriddhi. Don't apply Akasavane Dirgha 61101. You have to apply 6190. Even though in this case forms are same, but in other cases forms may be different. Like for example, Ichchati if you take, Ichchati will become, example is given, Ichchati, okay, let me do it here. Not given. Where? That is it. It is, what is it? No, what is it? It. Have you heard it somewhere? Not Agama. I said not Agama. It is Agama, you cannot add At Agama. Two Agamas you cannot add like that. That's why I said it's not Agama. Agama taking another Agama is not there. Okay. See, a person is standing, another person can come and sit on that, the person. Another person cannot come and sit on that another person. Not possible. Okay. Only one person can sit. On that person, another person will come and sit? No, not allowed. The chair will break. Okay, that is what Agama is. Down to earth example I am giving, come on. So, it cannot be an Agama. It is what I am asking. Think where you have heard the it. E is okay, but where you heard the it? Tip tas J, sip tas ta, bip tas mas. That is what it is. That should occur to your mind. It is that. Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, it Vakimahi Atmanepadi. Right? That is the example given here. You said it. That's why I am not showing that. Okay. Not required. Take the form ich dhatu. Ich plus tip. What Lang Lakara we are going to do. So Lang Lakara, so what you need to do, you have to add At Agama. Ich dhatu. Ich is Ichchati. It becomes Ichchati, right? That's making it. We know it. It becomes Ichchati. And At Agama. Now, At is A. A plus C. Generally, what will happen? A plus C. Guna will happen. If it is, and it's not T, it is Takara. Okay. For Lang Lakara, it is Takara. A plus E will be, generally it is, Guna will happen. A plus E. So, the form will become Echat. That is not the right form. So, Guna cannot be applied. If At is followed by Ach, then Purva Parayoga Sthane Vriddhi Adesh Bhavati. A plus E. A plus E. What is the Vriddhi of that? I. How it is I? Vriddhi is the Adesha I am saying. What are the Vriddhi letters? Only I, O. Don't forget A. Okay. A, I, O. Now Swayamvara, you have to select one among the three. Not corresponding. You have to, that's why I said Swayamvara. Select one, best one. A is Kanta, E is Talu. Which one is the best option? I. So I comes. So therefore, Apavada to Guna. I chat. Clear? So, Atascha Vriddhi Bhavati. Important. Our context, the context what we know is Lang Lakara. In another place also it comes, let it come, no problem here. Clear? So done. With this, Ach Sandhi is done. Okay, done. We are moving to Al Sandhi. You want to read this? Already we have read this, so nothing to read. अस्मिन् उदाहरणे आत् गुणः इति अनेन प्राप्तं गुण एकादेशं बाधित्वा अपवादरूपेण अत्र वृद्धिः एकादेश भवति. So अपवाद to गुणसन्धि. That's what he says. Okay. You can, if you want, you can write this example what I wrote now. Lang Lakara form. It's clear. You can copy that from the Sandhi chart. From the Sandhi chart, make us battery gone, I think. Yeah. From the Sandhi chart, you can copy paste the example and the translation. Okay. Now, the next one is we are going to see. I am going to start Sandhi from 68. If you want to mark any demarcation required, you can do it. We are going to see 6190.
67.
67. Yes. Yeah. Artascha is, our number is 67. 6190. Now we are going to enter Hal Sandhi. Hal Sandhis are simple.
In the chart, there is also 91.
Huh?
In the chart of Sandy, you give also 6.1.91 and 92.
Which one is 91? Artascha?
Upasargati,
That is 91. Yeah.
and we talk about this too.
You are asking me, talking about that? I'm skipping that. Yes, I'm skipping that because that you can refer the Sandhi chart. We may add later if required, but now it's not required. We'll come back. So it leaves always space, some number, it will change. Because Upasarga Dhriti not required now, it is too much actually. That's why I'm skipping that. We will get into Upasarga Dhrita and a lot of things we have to see. I mean, not already we have no Sandhi chart is there, that is enough. Now, therefore, skipping that. Maybe I will add it later for the Sandhi chart. We'll see. Now we will enter. We have to get into Hal Sandhi. We don't have time. Okay, that is important. Okay, now the first sutra is Choho Kuhu. Where is that sutra? 8 to 30. Sutra number is. Refer Sandhi chart. It is there. 8 to 30. What does it say? Choho Kuhu. 8 to 30. Simple sutra. We can. You don't have? Oh,
There is no in the printed version. I think you add later. I think.
oh yes, I added later, not in the recent one, but it is there in the Sandhi chart. No problem. You know what the sutra will see? 8 to 30. Now take your sutra pata. I mean, take your means you don't have to take. You can see the screen because your sutra pata number will be different. You can refer that later. 8 to 30. I'll just give an introduction to that. 8 to 30. Okay, should we talk about Purvatra Siddham? I think Purvatra Siddham. Yes. Purvatra Siddham we need to talk about, but time not there. Maybe tomorrow I will do it. So just this number is next number is 68 is only temporary. Okay, we'll talk about Purvatra Siddham and all. But already we know. I will explain what it is again. Okay. Purvatra Siddham. What is Purvatra Siddham? That is 8 to 1. If you see the sutra number 8 to 1. 8 chapter, second section, first sutra. Purvatra Asiddham. Huh? That is only Purvatra Asiddham we will read. Then we will get into Chogakuku. So what is Purvatra Siddham? It is Adhikara Sutra. Goes as Anuvritti, Anuvritti. Up to what sutra? I mean the topic covered. Till what? 68 is, what is 68? 8 for 68? The last sutra. It means the 3 sections of the 8th chapter. For that, this Purvatra, they call Purvatra Siddha Adhikara. The topic here, this Purvatra Siddham is the Adhikara, the topic, under which all the other the Hal Sandhi rules come. Okay. So Purvatra Siddham is the Adhikara. It runs up to last sutra of the last section. So 3 sections. That's why it is called Tripadi. Tripod. Tripadi. Tripadi. Okay. Trayanam Padanam Samaharaha Tripadi. Samahara Dvanda Samasa. Right. Tripadi. Pada. So 3 padas put together is called Tripadi. Purvatra Asiddham. What is Purvatra Asiddham?
Asiddham not established.
The simple meaning I will give you, maybe tomorrow we will see in detail, time not there. Purvatra Asiddham means the result of the, just understand, you're not right, let's listen. The result of these successive the sutras, the result of a sutra is not visible to the sutra, preceding sutra. That is what Purvatra Siddham. Once a particular sutra has done the karyam, then that will not be visible to the preceding sutras in this section as well as to the sutras in the other section, Sapada Saptadhyay, 7 1/4. The result of this sutra is not visible to the immediate preceding sutras in this section as well as the sutras in the preceding section, that is Sapada Saptadhyay. Sections. Okay. It means
There's no connection between this and that, sir.
not that connection. Connection sometimes will be there. Those are exceptions. Okay. So it is like this. Same example, the line. The student, the 10th student in the line is doing some karya, some work is supposed to be doing. That action is not visible to this person who is standing in the middle, in the first, or even the 9th student, 8th student. It's not visible to them. Suppose he has hit someone or somebody, but that action is not seen by this person. That is what it is. The result of that is not visible to the preceding sutra, preceding persons. Doesn't seen, it's not seen. In our context, it is not seen. If the sutra can see, then it will come and applied, but it cannot see. That is what it means.
Like, however, it won't be visible now, sir.
Why not visible? It's the same thing you applied for the Sandhi Sutras. It's not visible. Purva Apavada, and we did. How can you go then? Right?
Ashanti, for succeeding sutras is visible, only for the preceding ones.
Yes. Only for the preceding one. Succeeding sutra is not visible, then we cannot, it becomes a problem. You cannot write other sutras at all. The section cannot have any sutra, only one sutra will be there. Logically speaking, right? So the result, say, I'm just taking one example, just taking what do you call, it's a blind example. Suppose 823 is there. Suppose it does some karya. That is not visible to the second sutra. That is not visible to the first sutra. That is not visible to the sutras preceding the Sapada Saptadhyay, the preceding sections. Clear? It is applicable. It will be available for the following sutras to operate on that, if it is applicable, but not for the preceding. That's why I gave this example. The person, 10th person, did something that is visible for the 11th person, 12th person, 13th person standing, but not for the first person. Not visible. The people in the first row, they don't know what the people in the 10th row is doing. Clear? That's what it is, the logic. Okay, now that is Purvatra Siddham. Now Chogho Kuhu. That's the first sutra. What is Chogho Kuhu? Chogho, what vibhakti? Think. Huh? Not Panchami, sixth only. But Chogho, I'm asking what is Chogho? What is, how do you decline that Chogho? Chu. Like Guru. Guroho. Chogho. Kavarga. Chogho sthane? Kavarga. Chu means what? Chu. Is by what sutra? Halantyam. Upadeshe Janunasika it. So Chu stands for the Chavarga, 5 letters. Cha, cha, ja, ja. Yeah. And Ku stands for? All these are 108 day. That time itself I told, technically called Chu. Remember? Ku. Ku, chu, tu, tu, pu. With this given the seed there itself, thinking that it will sprout. I hope it's sprouting now. Probably it has become a vriksha now, I hope. Vriksha giving fruits. Karma palam we are enjoying. Right? That time itself, right, in my presentation, I mentioned technically ach, hal, ku, chu, tu. Now it is useful. So now, chavarga, 5 letters. Kavarga, 5 letters. Now, how are we going to replace it now? What sutra? No. Corresponding, you say, then Tulyasa Prayatam will not come. Yatha Sankhya Manudesha Samana. Corresponding. 5 chairs, 5 people. Our example, you remember, okay? All our examples you remember. Spot example, okay? Yes. Not Swayamvara. That is choosing is different. That is Tulyasa Prayatanam. Three brides are there, only one bridegroom, or otherwise also. That is Swayamvara. Actually, it should be other way. I mean, the only one bride will be there, many bridegrooms will be there. In Indian culture, it is like that, but it differs. In Nepal, probably it is different. That is Swayamvara. So, Tulyasa Prayatanam is Swayamvara. 5 chairs and 5 people, Yatha Sankhya Manudesha Samana. So, now Chogastane, Kuhu, simple you can say. Chavargasya Stane, Chavarga we can say. Chavargasya Stane, Kavargaha, Kramena, Yatha Sankyam, Adeshaha, Bhavati. That is over, but when does it happen? The question is that. Padanta. Where is Padanta? You have to see the previous sutras. Where is it? It is. You can see. Kutrasti. Here somewhere it is there. Padanta. In the beginning itself. Sorry, it is in 8.1 section. Please go to the 8.1. Padat is there. 8.1, not Padat. Yeah, Padasya. Not 8.1.16, you can see. Padasya. 8.1.16, can you see? The screen, Padasya. Goes as Anuvritti, it is Adhikara. Not, yeah, Adhikara also goes as Anuvritti only. Goes as Anuvritti up to 8.3.54. And Choga Kuga is in 8.2.30. Therefore, comes as Anuvritti or not? Padasya. So Padasya, Chavargasya. When you say Padasya, Chavargasya, means Chavarga should not be located anywhere in the Padam. That is not the meaning. Always Antyasya. Always understand Antyasya. See, little example I am saying. Suppose, have you gone by bus and all? Local bus or anywhere in India, okay. If you go, 2 people are sitting in a seat, right? If one elderly person, handicapped person comes, who is getting up first? The person who sits at the end will get up. So, Antyasya, Padantasya, okay, not the first person. Understand? So, always understood the person who is sitting at the end always will get up. He has to get up. That is the protocol. Therefore, example you see, our local example. That's why I said whether you have traveled in India. Huh?
Be careful when you sit. Everywhere is like that.
Yeah. If you sit near the window, you will not get up. You will hold on to the window. You will not get up. The person, let him get up. Why should I get up? The same logic here. Chavarga will be replaced by Kavarga, and where the Chavarga should be located? At the end of the Padam. So, Padasya only is there. Where is Antasya? To be supplied. Clear? So, Padantasya, Padanta Chavargasya sthane, Kim adesha bhavati? Kavarga adesha bhavati. Clear? Understand? Not only that, in 8.2 section itself, the preceding, one more word comes as Anuvritti. Jali is there. What is there? 8.2.23. 8.2, not Padanta. Jali is what vibhakti? Saptami. Padantasya is Shashti. Padanta Chavargasya is Padanta Chavargasya sthane Kavarga adesha bhavati. That is number 1. Or Chavarga need not be Padanta. Whether Padanta or not doesn't matter. If Jal follows, Jali pare, then also Chavargasya sthane Kavarga adesha bhavati. That's how we studied. Remember, Chavarga when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam will be replaced by Kavarga letter. That is what Chogo Kuga is. We will see that. We will see the sutra in the next class. Tomorrow I think we can do this, and then Anton also we have to do proceed. You keep doing Anton exercises. Okay.
Sharanji, I cannot understand in our index list. So when you give the sutra, then these two sutras, we have to insert them or not?
If you keep inserting, many sutras will come. You have to understand. Answer. It comes as maybe later. Yes. Understand that comes as anuvritti. Purvatra siddham we can do. Yes, important topic. We'll do that. Purvatra siddham. I explained what Purvatra siddham is. Very clearly I did. Okay. Remember the examples. Jali is 8 to 23. Yeah, 26. Sorry, 26. You okay? This Sandhi chart. In the Sandhi chart, it is there. Latest one. Yes.
No, we understand, but just if we don't write like that, then it evaporates.
Sandhi chart is there. Sandhi chart it is given. Sandhi chart, the latest one. You see, I will show you here. I didn't give you the printout of that because after that many sutras we learnt. You can see here, this is the latest, the one which I already you got it. Okay, so you can see 8 to 30. It comes under the Hal Sandhi section. See here, in the Sandhi chart it is there. Chu at the end of the padam are followed by jal will be replaced by ku 8 to 30. Tyaj plus twa, tyaktva. Right? Huh? No, I have sent. Everything I have sent. This I sent once upon a time. Ekada I have sent, but not given the printout. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.